Hey y'all, welcome back to my British garage. This is the next day. We got one head off. Wow, what a bastard this thing was. It was hanging up right here on these two, actually this one too, these two bottom studs. It was really hanging up bad. I've got the cylinders coated with WD-40, cleaned them out a good bit. This is what I used. I used paint stir sticks. This is a piece of walnut that I cut at an angle to get underneath there and hammer it through gently, and to keep from marring the surface of the deck here and the surface of the head, and it worked. I checked it out and it all looks pretty good. But using these shims, they're tapered, right? Regular construction shims, and being able to getting it started was the extra hard part. I used one of these blocks, put it up here right against the head, best I can. Anyway, and I used, there was a lip. There was a lip on right here. I don't know if you can see it, teetering off of this bolt here. I was able to push up against the lip. I don't know if you can see this or not. Right here, underneath here, I was able to push up against there to get it started. And then I started running these shims underneath it. Just tap, tap, tap all along here in between all the rows of studs, and slowly tapped these shims in there, and I added more shims to it. And when I got enough of a gap, I turned the thick side of the shim back down inside here. I had to go all the way through, and then I used the other side of the tapered shim to go across the top, and it gave it more thickness. It kept the head fairly level, and that was key to getting the sucker off, is keeping the head as level as can be, and then just rocking it and spraying down, especially those crusty studs over there with the that blaster crap. What is it? PB blaster and carburetor cleaner. Kept on dousing those holes there, and that helped a lot to kind of dissolve that crap a little bit. But it took us a good, I'd say an hour and a half to get that one head off. And oh my gosh, I'm not looking forward to the other side. That'll be tomorrow, and I will throw up a video tomorrow, show the progress. I'm just glad there wasn't any damage to the deck. There's a little bit here, right there. I don't know if that's enough to really hurt anything, and this is all pretty clean. You can see this is where I teetered off of that nut there, or that bolt. Yeah, it all looks pretty good. Just have to clean all the shit off of it. But I'm going to get these heads. I'm going to get them. I got my little tester, and I'm going to, my straight edge, steel straight edge. And I haven't looked at these yet on the back side. Yeah, it's pretty yucky. But you know what? They look pretty good. If I don't see any damage. And that's superficial, but they're gonna get skimmed whether they need it or not to the machine shop. All right, I'll see you tomorrow.